Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about limes, and I have a list of tips and ideas that are known for working well with limes. So if you're new to using them, hopefully this will help you out. And even if you're not new to using them and you're looking for some new ideas, hopefully this will help you as well. The list is kind of long, so I broke it up into two parts. This is part one. I'll have a link to the part two video below in the description box. Now, the typical lime found, like this one, found in most grocery stores is actually a Persian lime. So if you see reference to Persian limes, you'll know that it's the one that we typically find, at least in American grocery stores. Key limes are smaller and have a more concentrated lime flavor. So you'll see some recipes that call for key limes. They are not quite the same thing. How about drying some lime zest to make a powder that you can sprinkle on dishes as if it was a spice? Try that. For an interesting dessert or even a breakfast accompaniment, try cutting some fresh fruit of choice, whatever, like a banana, top it with some yogurt and sprinkle it with a little bit of lime zest. That'll add a little tang to it. Instead of lemon, add a slice of lime to water for a refreshing lime water beverage. Now when you're zesting, use a sharp microplane zester and scrape the lime over the sharp edges of the zester. But you want to make sure that you remove only the top layer from the fruit, only that colorful layer. Stop when you get into the white pith that's underneath there, because it is going to be bitter and you don't want that in your lime zest. If you want to use both the zest and the juice of any fruit, make sure that you zest first and juice second. It's going to be a whole lot easier that way. Why not try squeezing a wedge of lime over your favorite taco? Combine some lime juice with sugar of your choice, or it could be another sweetener of your choice, seltzer water, and some ice to make a refreshing limeade. Add a little lime juice to Mexican rice and serve with extra lime wedges for garnish and to squeeze a little fresh juice over there. How about squeezing a little lime juice into a floral tea like a hibiscus tea? That'll add a little bit of tang, a little extra flavor to it. This concludes part one. Stay tuned for part two. Again, the link will be below. I hope this helps. Bye for now.